This is for your safety and for our safety as well. And if you're eating anything right now, please quickly finish up your food or keep them all away because some of us are quite curious. They might just come down and share your snacks with you. Don't shut up yet. We will get everyone to leave the area row by row starting from the back. This is to ensure that we do not congest the staircases and to maintain social distancing throughout the entire time. So thank you all for your patience and cooperation later on. And that was very long-winded, right? So let's not wait any further. Let us begin. Alright, into the American Bald Eagle. Bald eagles are also the emblem of the United States of America. They are one of the largest eagles that can be found throughout the entire world. You might be wondering why she called the bald eagle with the feathers on it, right? This is because of two reasons. One is that the word bald is actually an old English word for white head. And number two, when eagles are flying high in the sky, their heads will camouflage among the clouds, giving them the appearance that they are bald. Hence the name. Living near water sources, these birds are known to hunt for fish, but can also pick up small mammals and even scavenge for big ones as well. Susie, what are you doing? Come on. Alright, by the way, Susie right here is already 24 years old and we can live up to 25 years in captivity. Let's give a big hand as she makes the way back home, everyone. America, home. Okay, come on. Waiting for you over there. There you go. American Bald Eagle Susie, everyone. Python, the turkey vulture can be found from Canada all the way down to the tip of South America. They are one of the most numerous vulture species in the world, numbering way over 7 billion of them. As mentioned earlier on, they have a keen sense of smell. They are usually the first to locate the carcass and land on it. But at times, they might not be able to feed on it yet, as their beaks are not strong enough to tear open large structured skin like a buffalo carcass. This is why they wait for other bigger species of vultures to help them out. And these birds have a very strong stomach acid, almost 0 pH level, so you can imagine how powerful their digestive system is. But thank you so much, Tyson, and let's get you focus now. All the way back to Happy over there. There you go. Our turkey vulture Tyson, everyone. You will be making his way down, so please do not reach out and try to touch him. Okay, wait a minute, I was ready. Wow, very low above everyone's head. I'm pretty sure no one was able to hear the owl when he was making his way down. This is because owls have very soft edges at the tip of their wing feathers, which is why even when they flap those wings, there isn't any sound at all. But while doing this do so, owls hunt for rats and mice, and these rodents have an acute sense of hearing as well, which is why the owls have to be very silent in order to sneak up onto the prey and pounce on them without being detected at all. That's why owls are also known as the silent hunters of the night. Now this is Belang, our Malay-fish owl. Malay-fish owl can be found throughout Southeast Asia. And this particular species has evolved to hunt for fish, which makes them very special indeed. And looks like another owl joining us. And that's actually Soren the barn owl. A common species of owls found throughout the world except for Antarctica. And they are known for their hyper-sensitive hearing, which means they are able to hunt in total darkness just by listening closely to the footsteps of their prey. And these two birds are very special to us because they will go catch a race right here in the Geographic Park and our breeding and research center which is over there. So you can take down there later on to see the other hatchlings we have in the park as well. So Belang right here is 14 years old and Soren is 7 years old this year, okay? Still very young but already an adult owl, alright? Thank you so much, Soren. SMC, goodbye to everyone. Goodbye. So other than silent flight, owls are also able to turn heads all the way around, right? So how many degrees can I do it for? Anybody know? No, Belang, how many degrees? Okay. So anybody here thinks it's 270 degrees? Raise up your hand. 270. Turn the head for 270. Yeah, don't be shy. Yeah. Okay. How about 360 degrees? 360. Anybody? Okay. Okay, correct answer is actually
180.
270 degrees. Okay. So 360 is actually a full circle. Okay, from the front, the line is turn all the way back to the front again. And if you do that, you will actually sprain his neck. Okay, you do not want that to happen. Only up to 270 degrees. Alright, well, time for you to join Sword as well. There goes our Southern Princess Karakara. There you roll on. In the same, he's heading straight for the rocks and rolling them over with his feet to look for the insects. There you go, well done, that was really fast for the 3 insects. Okay, come on, what do you do with the leaf? Once again, using his feet to sweep them over and see if there's anything underneath there. Good job. For another time, excellent. Last one, the tree bark. Okay, this time around you use the beak to flip it over and get the food underneath it. But if insects were to take off and fly away, he's also able to jump and catch it. So let's do a demonstration. Over here. There you go. Oh, that's low, right? Let's try higher! Wow, very hard to, oh, you missed it. There you go, round number 2. Great job there. Come on, over here. So Raoul right here is the Southern Crested Karakara, and they can be found in South America. And this year, he is already over 30 years old. A senior bird right here in the park too, alright? Thank you so much, Raoul, and let's get you home as well. All the way in, there you go. Rado is a very, very daring bird. He will fly very close to you. But please don't try to touch him. Here's number 2. There you go. Excellent. Wow. Done.
Oh, frightening, right?
And not only that,
Oh, yeah.
he's able to
Yeah.
do something even more impressive. Let me show you. Oh, well done. Wow. And after seeing that, let us now welcome our team of Ravnikai.
So many.
Yeah,
So many of them.
yeah.
Oh my god, this is so exciting.
How many eagles,
5 more throws high up in the air. Let's see if they're able to catch all of them. So let's start with a good one. Oh, okay. 1, 2. Wow, on the floor. Okay, 3. And 2 more to go. Yeah, I need the 2 of you to be in the higher
Back,
place.
back.
Okay, 4. And one last one. as well.
Oh,
5. Let's give it a hand, everyone. I'll rock the card. Thank you. Okay, come on. Last one. All the way in, please. Thank you very much. Everyone's waiting for you. Okay, let's make a quick check. Make sure she's safe and sound. Okay, so right here in the Jordan Park, we do a part in conservation and rescue work. In fact, our next group of birds have a very important message to share with everyone. And with that said, we shall continue.
sit up straight, huh? Sit up straight. Oh, this is a vulture.
Vampire.
Vultures. Vultures are the biggest birds around. One of the biggest birds are flying birds.
So many. It's so everywhere.
And a pelican.
Alright, we are now joined by our wave of vultures. The brown ones are the Cinerean vultures which can be found in Europe and Asia. The 2 taller ones are the marble storks which are found from Africa, and they are not vultures, but they can also be found coexisting together with them, feeding on the animals as well. Vultures are very important to the ecosystem as they help to reduce the spread of contagious diseases by various animal carcasses. That is why they are also known as nature's cleanup crew. Unfortunately, many vulture species are rapidly declining in the wild due to threats such as poaching, deforestation, and even poisoning of carcasses. Fortunately for us, Wildlife Reserve Singapore is working hand in hand with BirdLife International to help protect and conserve 3 critical vulture species in Cambodia. And these are the white drum vulture, red-headed vulture, and the slender-bill vulture. So let us all continue our efforts and support to help protect them from the brink of extinction. And with that, after having seen all these birds floated today, I'm sure to merit the title, the Kings of the Sky. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for being such an amazing audience here today. And you can continue being amazing people by not leaving any trash behind. As everyone said, we'll leave the area row by row, so please wait for us. Thank you all so much for coming, and I hope you will enjoy the day here in the park. Goodbye!